need to be asking to ensure that they are getting the best options either for themselves or a family member. Christy Huber is the Executive Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer with Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota, and she's here to answer some of those questions. Good morning, Christy.
Good morning, Wayne. Great to be with you.
Nice to have you with us. Now, this is such a timely conversation that we're having here. One of the first things that I would imagine people need to be aware of is their current health status. That is so very important.
Absolutely. It is so important. A lot of times premiums get the headline when talking about these important decisions, but it's really crucial to focus on three main areas. And the first is understanding what conditions are you dealing with or what you might think you might have going forward in the next year. The second is, where do you want to get your care from? Which providers would you like to see and which care systems? Because not all care systems are covered under all med sub plans and also Medicare Advantage plans. And so it's really important to ask those questions. And the third thing is to make sure that you are understanding what are your prescriptions and are your prescriptions covered? And so asking that question is crucial. And then if you're a snowbird and you're going to be out of the area, making sure that you understand your coverage, both here in your at home, but also to and from your warmer destination.
So if you are someone that winters in Arizona or Florida or wherever, that doesn't necessarily travel with you. It is something you want to make sure that you are specifying and asking specifically about.
That is exactly right. That's why it's so important to make sure that you're asking these questions to a trusted agent, or you can call us at Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota. We would absolutely love to work with individuals that have those questions. It's very easy to get a hold of us either over the phone, online, or you can just reach out to our local office.
Okay. What about
Yes, it's great to be able to have those numbers available to be able to catch us. Also, you can go to bcbsnd.com/members.
Okay, we'll leave that up for the folks to take a peek at here for a little bit. What about like vision and dental? How is that something too that you have to specifically ask for, or is that something that is generally covered with any of the plans that you choose?
No, that's a great question, Wayne. You're going to want to make sure that you ask that specific question because actually with Medicare Advantage plans, many times that is a benefit, but it's not necessarily a benefit for all plans. So again, that's why it's so important for you to have this conversation with a trusted advisor or an agent, or call us at Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota. We would love to make sure that you are covered because we truly care about our customers so much.
Sure. You know, and it's something that really became popular and became more widespread during COVID, and that is telehealth. What about that as far as Medicare is concerned?
That is a really important question to be asking, what is available, because a lot of times it can be very easy to, if you need to get an update on your prescription, you can actually do that over telehealth. Also, if you have an urgent care need, that is a great way for you to be able to access care. And also physical therapy is sometimes available through virtual care. But again, these are why it's so important to ask the questions to make sure that you know which plan you have and what your plan specifically covers.
Sure. Now, also, you probably want to know if your carrier will introduce new innovations and lower your costs.
Yes, it is really important to understand which provider you want to see. Again, the total cost of care is driven by all of the technology and innovation that is available to us. And so, again, it's really important for us to think beyond just the premium cost, but also really thinking through, what are those innovative care that we can get through a provider. We love working with our North Dakota provider systems. We have great relationships with them, and we know that they're doing a lot of really exciting things to make sure that they are helping our members be as healthy as they can be.
Right here in North Dakota as well. All right, the enrollment dates are going on right now. I'm sure people that are involved in this know, but tell us when enrollment ends, if you would, Christy.
Yes, we have a few weeks left, and so that's why it's so important for this to be top of mind for you. December 7th is the last day of enrollment, and so again, really important for you to have those important conversations make sure that you're having them with a trusted agent or someone at Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota. We would absolutely love to make sure that you have the plan that best suits you and your loved ones.
All right, Christy Huber, Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota. Thank you so much. Great information. We really appreciate you taking time.
Thank you. Appreciate you so much.
You're welcome. There it is. The information's on the screen. You can either do it online or give them a call. They'd be glad to take that phone call. All right, stay with us. North Dakota Today.